What is going on, guys? There are a lot of videos online showing people how to take a store-bought avocado, taking a seed, and growing your own avocado plant at home. In this video, I'm gonna show you the most commonly used method to germinate your avocado seed, as well as the method that I think works the best. So let's get to it. Now, the most common method that you'll probably see is taking your avocado seed, taking 3 toothpicks, stabbing it in a triangle formation, and then suspending it in a cup of water. Let me show you how that looks like real quick. Now that I have my 3 toothpicks in my avocado seed, something that you want to take notice is that the angle of the toothpicks, you want to slant upwards a little bit. So that way when you are suspending it in water, it dangles down so that way the seed does reach the water. A second important thing is that, take a look right here. This is the flat bottom of the avocado seed. This is where the root will actually grow out of. So the first method would basically be taking this right here, getting yourself a cup of water, you suspend like this, and just, hold up, let me see here. And just like that, you see the bottom of the avocado seed, it touches the water, and over time, it takes about like 3 to 4 weeks, and the roots will start to grow. This method works, but it's not guaranteed. A lot of stories out there is that people's avocado will start to rot. And then next thing you know, you throw it away, and you waste a lot of time. Let me show the method that I think works the best. So this right here is the method I think that works the best. I took an avocado seed, took a wet paper towel and just wrapped it up, put it inside a Ziploc bag and put it in a cabinet for 2 weeks. This is the first time I've taken this seed out of the cabinet in 2 weeks, so let's take a look at it together and see if we got any root formations. So we got the avocado seed right here. Just feeling right here, I feel like there's a root right here, so that's also a great sign. So let's open it up and let's see the results. Now, like I said, I've only wrapped it up one time, did not add any extra water, and just left it in the cabinet for 2 weeks. So after taking it out, let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. That is so beautiful. Look at that, guys. We got ourselves a nice root forming right here. That is absolutely beautiful. So this method, it took me 0 effort. All I did was left it into the cabinet for 2 weeks, and now we got ourselves a root forming. Let's go ahead and move this to the side. Now, the way you want to plant this thing now is get yourself any type of small container. I have something like this right here. It's very cute, it's very small. You know, I'm gonna put it right in the middle. All you have to do is just make sure the pit is halfway covered. So right there, just make sure the root is underneath the soil and just make sure it's moist. By putting it in this little pot right here, I can grow some extra herbs on the side. So that way it's a cute little house plant, you know? And over time, the shoot should go upwards. Hopefully you guys find this video useful in growing your own avocado plant indoors. If you did, please leave me a like, subscribe, and remember guys, take it easy.